Let's see if it can write a blog for you. So as you can see, it has started creating. Now this is writing a whole blog for you, which you can directly copy paste, or you can copy paste and then edit according to your needs. So that's how amazing it is. So it's also giving you proper topics, like subtopics with conclusion and everything.
Hearing a lot about ChatGPT these days, if you have still not tried your hands, here's a full detailed video on how to use ChatGPT. If you already know what ChatGPT is, you can skip directly to the tutorial. I'll give a chapters in my videos so that it can save your time. Welcome to ArtBox Studio, where we explore the intersection between art and technology. Today we are going to talk about ChatGPT, an AI-powered language model that can help you generate text and answer questions in natural language format. If you are new to ChatGPT, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll start by explaining what ChatGPT is and how it works. Then we'll go over how to use ChatGPT in simple steps. First, let's talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that generates text on the input given. It uses a technique called deep learning to learn from vast amount of text data that can understand the context of text. Once you have access to ChatGPT, you can start by entering a prompt or question. ChatGPT will then generate the response based on your input, which you can further edit as needed. ChatGPT can be used for various purposes, right from creating content for your social media. It can even write blogs for you. It can even give you ideas for your blogs. In fact, if you're planning to go somewhere and if you ask ChatGPT to plan your tour, it can even give you an itinerary. That's how amazing it is. Imagine you're a content creator and you are looking for some ideas for your blogs. ChatGPT can give you n number of ideas. In fact, it can write and blog for you. Now let me not waste much of time while just explaining you about ChatGPT. In fact, let me take you to my computer screen where I can show you exactly how you can use ChatGPT. So here you are on my computer screen. What we have to do is just search for ChatGPT, and this is the link. Just be careful that the link is openai.com. So basically OpenAI is the lab that have created ChatGPT, and you can click here on try ChatGPT, and this is the window of ChatGPT. So when you will log in this for the first time, it will ask you to create an account or sign up and log in, you know, the basic stuff that you get in every website. You can log in through your Gmail account also. Okay, I'm not going to show that process because it's pretty simple. So once you create your account and you log in, this is the home screen that you should see. Here is the text bar where you can type your any inputs. You can ask a question, you can type your inputs, you can write a prompt, anything, and then it will generate responses according to that. Okay, and this side, on the left hand side of the window, these are all the responses that it has given me previously. Okay, so you don't miss out on any. Another time when you log in it, you can see all your previous discussions over here. If you want to open a new chat, you can write it from here, new, and this new window will get open. It's pretty simple. The interface is, you just have to type over here. Now let me type something for you and let's see what responses it gives. First of all, you can type anything, you can search for any information. You can also, or let me suppose you are a content creator and you are looking for some blog ideas. Okay, so what I'll write is, give me 10 blog ideas on AI. Let's see what response it gives. So as you can see, it has given you 10 topics on AI, which is related to AI. Okay, and as I told you, it can also write a blog or article for you. Let's choose this, the role of AI in the future work. Okay, so write me a blog on the topic, the role of AI in the future of work. Let's see if it can write a blog for you.
So as you can see, it has started creating. Now this is writing a whole block for you, which you can directly copy paste, or you can copy paste and then edit according to your needs. So that's how amazing it is. So it's also giving you proper topics, like subtopics with conclusion and everything. So this is your blog ready. You can just copy it from here, paste it in a Word file, do some changes if you want, and you can, your blog is ready. Now let me show you something else. Okay, like if I like suppose if I have to create a script for my YouTube channel, right? Okay, so you can write I have a, or you can say okay, I have a YouTube channel name ArtBox Studio. Okay, I want to upload a video on best of 5 best AI tools. Okay, please write me a script for my video. Let's see what it gives you. See, hello and welcome to ArtBox Studio. In today's video we will be discussing the best 5. So it has already started giving me a proper script for my YouTube video. You can just copy paste this and you can recite this in your video, or you can even translate this script to a character, okay, using another AI tool which I have done in my last video. If you have not checked out, check that, because my last video is fully AI generated, right from the scripts, right from the voiceover. I have not even given my voice to that video. Voice is also auto generated and the character is also auto generated using Midjourney. So as I told you, see, top 5 AI tools, it has given you a full script with conclusion, and even thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, like a full package it is. So that's how it is. Let me give you a few more examples on that. Also, if you're not happy with the with this response that it has given, you can anytime regenerate response. Okay, so it will again give you, like, it will give you another response for the same inputs that you have given. So now see, it is suggesting few more tools to you. Wow, this is amazing. Similarly, you can keep generating as many responses as you want. Let me show you few more examples. Okay, like I basically use it for writing mails also. I'm not that good at writing, but some mails, like for example anything, take a resignation letter. Okay, write me a resignation mail to my manager. Manager's name is Vishal. Let's see what response it gives. Dear Vishal, I am writing you to this. So see, it's so easy. The only thing you have to do is just give it like proper information. The more neat information you give, the better the response will be. Its response is totally depend on your inputs that you give. So here it is. It has written me a proper mail. Okay. Similarly, you can create lesson plans also. Let me show you that. Basically for educators, this is like amazing. Okay. I need to take a class for standard 6 on the topic photosynthesis. Okay, write me a lesson plan for a 50-minute class. See, it has started. So it is literally giving you, you know, introduction, body, and also it is giving you timings. So basically, if you are an educator, you know, like there's a introduction activity, and then there's a main body which where you teach the exact topic, and then it gives you conclusion. Oh god, it is also giving you assignments. So that's amazing. Okay, let me also in case like this is just a lesson plan, right? Let me also try creating few questions. I need to create a question paper on the topic photosynthesis. Please give me 10 questions for this topic. Let's see, it is already giving you 10 questions. You can use this to create question papers also. So as I was telling you, this tool is just amazing. You can literally use this for anything, right from creating content for your social media. Oh yes, let me show you something for social media. Okay, I want to post something for Women's Day on my Instagram. Please write me good caption for my for a Women's Day post with appropriate hashtags. Let's see if it can give you hashtags also. Here's a few options. Okay, it's giving you an options also. Yeah, Happy International Women's Day. Here's today. Wow. So it has given you multiple options with proper hashtags also. So see, you can use this. What else should I show you? Okay, I am planning a 5-day trip to Himachal. Can you create a 5-day itinerary for my trip to Himachal? Let's see what it gives. Day 1, arrive in Shimla. Oh. So it is giving you a day by day proper itinerary which you can use to plan your trip. So guys, that's how amazing ChatGPT is. It's like you can ask any responses, any questions, and it will draft you a proper content piece. So I hope these examples have given you a proper idea about what ChatGPT can do for you. That was the tutorial, guys. As you have seen, ChatGPT is a powerful tool. There's been a discussion around saying that there's been a discussion around that the way AI tools are improving, it's gonna take a lot of jobs. What I believe is, let's not think about AI taking jobs. Instead, let's learn more of AI tools and start using it in your personal and professional life. If you like this tutorial and if it gave you some value, I would request you to hit that like button and share this with your friends and family who can benefit from this. Also, let me know your thoughts about ChatGPT in the comment section. If you're already using ChatGPT, let me know in the comment section for what purpose you're using and is it fulfilling your purpose or not. Very soon I will be coming with an amazing AI tool tutorial which is Midjourney. I'm sure a lot of you might have heard about it, but if you have not tried it, I will be soon coming up with a full detailed tutorial about Midjourney. Please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out to the upcoming videos. See you until the next video. Till then, take care.